Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, January 17th, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I think I called the Dow up reluctantly last Friday. I was wrong. The Dow ended up dropping another 58 points. Um, that's no big surprise. Basically, we had uh, another kind of boring, uneventful day, but nevertheless just mildly profitable. And we'll accept having some profits. Uh, the the Dow, you can see here what happened on Friday. It opened higher and sold off a little, ended up closing down a little. This morning it gaps down, tries to rally, fails, comes down here, puts in a pretty big spike down here, but look of it's basically testing this low um, of last week, and it comes back fairly hard on that. So I'm definitely going to call the Dow up for tomorrow. I think this might qualify as a bull spike, and this this market definitely doesn't want to go down very far. It's just kind of um, slopping around here, trying to decide what it's going to do. We will take out 20,000 one of these days. I sound like a broken record, but it's going to happen, and probably happen when we least expect it. Anyway, not too much happened today. We end up closing out $2,500 positive in our closed out trades, and we're carrying a handful of positions with negative 1,300 going into tomorrow. I don't have much to show you, but we did have one really good trade today, and I will show you that. This is in Sanchez Energy. Boy, I wish we have so many energy stocks. We could just you know, get three or four of them doing this, we'd be having a fantastic time here. Anyway, we bought Sanchez Energy right out of the gate on Friday. It did close favorably, although not in a necessarily spectacular way. But it gaps up a little bit this morning and gets us out. Believe it or not, I know that may not look like a whole lot. We took out $7,000 on this trade. We get out of this thing, we take $7,000 in profits. Too bad we didn't know and just hung on to it, but we don't. So we were out of it for this distance, but then we re-entered here, and it continued to go up, and pulled back a little bit toward the end of the day, but we're still holding another $1,300 positive in Sanchez Energy. So, like, right now, we're over $8,000 with Sanchez Energy, and I just wish we could get a couple more of our energy stocks to move this profitably. Anyway, because of that, that's why we're positive on our exits today. Good trade in Sanchez Energy. Anyway, not too much happening, but you never know. This thing can wake up and really roar. We'll just have to wait and see. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.